down. What is going on, people of the earth? Today is 4th of July and the start of my YouTube channel. This being my first video, we'll be breaking down what this channel is going to consist of. Talk a little bit about van life, moto life, just a little bit about racing dirt bikes, a little bit about racing mountain bikes, traveling, and overall, and the main purpose of this channel is to build this van out. This van has to be suitable to fit 3 dirt bikes, sleep 3 comfortably, maybe 4, have a shower and a toilet. I love to shower, can't go to sleep dirty. But when I get my nerve shits, I have to shit. So that's what this video is going to be breaking down. I'm going to be showing you and kind of giving you an example of what the layout's going to look like, what we're going to be using, the materials, the tools, how we're going to get there. The budget might be roughly $10,000. Who knows? For the first year at least. This channel will be leading up to one ultimate goal, which is driving all the way across country from Vegas down to Maine. We also travel with 1 dirt bike, 1 mountain bike, and 1 road bike. Go out for a quick solo ride today. Just practice a little bit of enduro style stuff. A lot of boulders, rock climbing, small waterfalls, maybe 5-6 feet tall. Climbing those. There's one that's been kicking my ass for the past few months, which is pretty intimidating just because I'm going to be doing it by myself. It's super steep, super tall, no runabout up to it at all. So we'll see how we can handle that little challenge, and if I decide to do it on my own today. And we made it to our destination here. Just the top of the mountains. This is Lime Kiln, I believe, and we're gonna go for a little ride. Let's break down what's gonna be happening with this channel, the layout of the van, and how we're gonna be accomplishing what we're gonna be accomplishing. So the layout's pretty technical. I think it's gonna have its challenges of its own. I don't know if it's gonna be possible, but nah, it's gonna be possible. We're gonna make it happen. We're gonna make it happen. So this is the goal: fit 3 dirt bikes, bam, bam. Be able to sleep 3. We need to sleep 3 comfortably. Hate finishing a moto, coming back to the van, having an uncomfortable place to sleep, being dirty, just being, you know, nasty, sticky, tired, hungry, all that stuff in between. So we're gonna be fitting 1 bed directly over the seats, lengthwise here. That's gonna be 1. We're gonna be making a bench here that's gonna be folding out as a bed, and a drop-down bed that I don't quite know how I'm gonna build yet, but a drop-down bed to sleep a 3rd person. Like I said, I hate being nasty and sticky after a moto, so we're gonna be building a shower right around where that seat is, with a toilet. I get my nerve shits, I need a shit, I get scared to rinse. It happens. We also got to keep in mind everything that has to go in the van, which means gear bags, fuel, clean water, food, cooking utensils, let's see what else, and just random little things that are going to be popping off here and there that we're just going to need. So yeah, this is a 2016 Freightliner with the 170-inch wheelbase. It has a 2.1 little turbo diesel in it, which is great. I really like it. So yeah, that's a gear bag. We've got to fit 3 of those. Got to fit roughly 10 gallons of fuel for the bikes. Make a water tank to hold roughly 15-20 gallons of water, so that if we get a muddy race, if we get a muddy scenarios, if we get dirty, we can be able to wash off the bikes. We don't want to leave the bikes dirty. It's not healthy for the bikes. and also clean ourselves off. So we'll probably be making a custom fitted water tank that's gonna run along this edge here, down over the wheelbase, about this height, connected to the shower, have an outlet here to put an electric power washer on it. Oh, we also have to keep in mind tools, oils for the bikes, filters for the bikes, parts for the bikes, and everything has to fit. So once the bed goes here, we have this area which is lost to this height, and I believe I'm just gonna make this entire top section all shelving for tools, gear bags, fuel, and everything else in between. Reflect on some of ideas that I have. I think I have some pretty nice ideas, and I feel like there's other people out there that might have similar situations, similar goals, and we're gonna see if we can crack those goals and help other people accomplish what they're trying to accomplish, so that we can all just be happy. This will be a learning curve for me, and I hope it is for everybody else, and I hope people can just learn from it. And you know, let's be honest, who hasn't thought about trying to make that YouTube money? I mean, sounds pretty nice, don't get me wrong. So yeah, I think if we get to that goal, great. If we don't, it was fun. But today we did come out, or I came out, did a little solo ride today. Beautiful day, like I said, it's 4th of July, it's cloudy, it's not hot, it's only 96 degrees. And we're gonna be riding some rock garden stuff, some technical stuff, getting used to the bike. Like I said, I just got my suspension rebuilt. Looking forward to seeing how that turned out. This is my first ride, so I don't know if I need to change any clickers. Haven't set my race sag. That's all right. We'll just deal with it for now and get a nice little ride. Oh, there goes it down.